We'll guide you through how to scale text in Figma. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Begin by launching the Figma design interface on your device using its desktop shortcut or application link. Once the software opens, open up the specific project file you want to edit directly from your dashboard. After your design file loads, locate the text layer on your canvas that you want to scale up or down and click on it once to select it properly. Next, move your attention over to the right-hand Properties panel and quickly check the section labeled Typography so you can see your current starting font size before making any changes. After that, move your cursor down toward the main floating toolbar located at the bottom center of the screen. Click the drop-down arrow position beside the standard Move Arrow tool to reveal additional tool options. From the menu list that appears, select the Scale tool, or simply press the K key on your keyboard if you want to use the fastest shortcut available. As soon as the Scale tool activates, notice how your cursor icon changes and a new bounding box wrapper appears around your selected text layer. Hover your mouse over any of the four corner handles positioned around the outer edges of the text boundary box. Click and hold your mouse button, then drag your cursor outward to enlarge the text or inward to smoothly shrink it down. Watch how the text scales fluidly together with its bounding box wrapper without clipping the letters or forcing your words into awkward wrapped lines. While scaling, glance over at the right-hand Properties panel where a temporary scale input box will appear showing the exact multiplier value, such as 2 times or 0.5 times. If you need a very precise adjustment, click inside that numerical scale box and type a custom multiplier value manually to grow or shrink the text by a specific percentage. Once you are completely satisfied with the final scale size, press the V key on your keyboard to instantly return to the normal selection tool. Finally, click anywhere on the empty gray background outside your design canvas to deselect the scaled text layer. Then check the top of the screen to confirm your file is fully synced before pressing Ctrl+S or Command+S on a Mac to securely save your progress.